Welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is AI App of the Day series. And in today's episode, I am reviewing Grammarly AI. Let's get started. This AI app, is for writing and improving your productivity. Using this app, you can power your today. Let's get started. Alright, so what is Grammarly AI? We all know Grammarly. If you have not heard or used Grammarly so far, that means you are living under a rock and in rock age. Grammarly is a sophisticated AI writing assistant that helps you write clearly and correctly and effectively. It goes beyond the basic spell checking and grammar corrections. It offers you stylistic suggestions, improve your content tone, and check for clarity. The AI analyzes your text in real time, providing suggestions that help you communicate more professionally and confidently. Now, if you are writing anything, basically, let's say a student writing a research paper, project, email, blog post, school paper, project work, anything that you're writing, you need to use Grammarly AI. What are some of the killer features? Grammarly AI comes with grammar and spell checker, which means it will identify and correct your common grammar and spelling errors. It has punctuation and clarity suggestions. It will provide you feedback on punctuation and helps simplify complex sentences. The inbuilt AI writing assistant can help you generate the content, text, summarize your documents, and also help you with brainstorming some ideas. It also has tone detection, which means it will analyze your writing, and which means it will help you suggest what you're trying to write confidently, formal, friendly, anger, whatever the tone be, it will help you match that particular suggestion. It also has the most important inbuilt one, which is called plagiarism checker, which is it will scan billions of web pages to ensure that your writing is original. It has a lot of integrations that it comes with, including web browsers, desktop apps, and mobile devices. It also comes with extensions, like for Chrome, you have extension available. Pros of Grammarly AI. It will help you enhance your writing skills, basically, by giving you reasoning and suggestions behind its suggestions. It's wide accessibility, that means it will work almost with any of the tool right from your wherever you write. Basically, it can be in the email, blog, or say anything that you're writing on internet or project work, research paper, whatever. It's user friendly, that means the suggestions are clear and applying them is a simple click. Free version is very useful. Often the free tier comes with, I think, 6 or 7 changes or suggestions per day, but once you sign in you can get more, but there are advanced features for which you need to get a subscription. It improves your tone and style. It goes beyond the basic grammar to help you write with specific voice. It has strong community and support. What are some of the cons? Premium features are pricey. Like I said, plagiarism checker, advanced tone suggestions, these are behind a paywall, which means you need to pay for these features. Sometimes the AI can miss the context and give incorrect suggestions, but mostly it's correct. Over reliance. Once you start using any of the AI writing assistant tools, you become too dependent on the tool, potentially hindering their own writing development, right? So that should be careful, especially students and early learners. It can be intrusive, that means the pop-ups and suggestions can be distracting for some users. Limited mobile experience. The mobile app is not as comprehensive as a desktop one, understandably, because most of the writing work, at least that we do, is on the web and not really on the mobile apps. Not a human editor, it can also make mistakes since it's not something that's reviewed by human, but it's an AI thing, so you can always provide feedback to it. Pricing, there is a generous free version which provides basic grammar and spelling checker, but if you need advanced features, like I said, plagiarism checker, advanced features of AI, you need to pay a subscription fee. Demo time, let's go to grammarly.com and explore the app. Alright, so this is the entire thing. You can create a new document, and I have already logged in, so you can sign up with your Gmail and start writing, and you can see that AI chat will provide you with best ideas, content, and everything. So if I say write an essay on AI chat bots, so This is again, you need to get Pro in order to use the full settings and full features, but you can see here it's writing a complete essay on its own, and that's the best part, right? So you can use this to write any of the letters, research papers, content generation, blog articles, all of that easily. Alright, so go ahead, give it a try to grammarly.com. Let me know your comments and feedback. I would love to hear them in the comments. Thank you so much for joining. If you want to get featured on our tutorials, write to me at surya.aradhya@gmail.com. Till then, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and videos. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode.